So guys, for the first step, make sure that Lenovo Vantage is not running. Make sure that it's closed. So make sure that you close Lenovo Vantage. Also, you want to go down to your taskbar and then click on the arrow. If you see Lenovo Vantage open right here, you want to close it. So if you do see Lenovo Vantage, you want to right click on it and it should be saying like exit or quit for you. You just want to quit Lenovo Vantage. Make sure that it's not running. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in %local app data percentage. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on packages. And now you want to find a folder called E04693F.Lenovo Companion. You might need to scroll down to find it. But once you find that folder that says Lenovo Companion with these numbers E0469, you want to double click on it. Now you want to click on local state. Now you want to click on logs. You want to delete everything in this logs folder. So you want to do Control A and then click on delete. Delete everything in the logs folder. And you could also clear your recycle bin by right clicking on it and then click on empty recycle bin and then click on yes. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in Lenovo Vantage. Click on it. And now once you're on this, in the top right, you want to click on your profile. Now you want to click on preference settings. And now once we're here, we're just going to scroll down. Now if you have Vantage usage statistics and Lenovo device statistics both turned on, you just want to turn these off. Turn off both of those. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.